This video will provide you guidance for programming the Yale Libi digital lock key. Before you begin programming, check that the key can be used to lock and unlock from the outside, and make sure that you've installed 4 alkaline AA batteries. Keep the door open so you can access both the inside and the keypad on the outside. If you're finding it hard to see the keypad, simply wave your hand in front of it to activate the backlight. To add a user code, press the programming button located under the battery cover. Then press 1, followed by the circle key. Then enter a 4 to 10-digit user code and press the circle key again to confirm. If you're programming your first code, the lock will automatically detect the door handing by extending and retracting the deadbolt. Now, to lock the door from the outside, simply ensure the door is closed, then press the circle button. This will extend the deadbolt. To unlock the door, enter the user code. This will retract the deadbolt. For the lock to operate correctly, the door handling direction process must be performed to learn the locking and unlocking direction of the door. Press the programming button, then press 0, followed by the circle key. The lock will automatically detect the door handing by extending and retracting the deadbolt. To delete a user code, press the programming button, then press 2, followed by the circle key. Enter the user code you wish to delete, then the circle key. Enter the user code again to confirm, then press the circle key once more to complete. To delete all user codes, press the programming button, then press 3, followed by the circle key. Auto lock is disabled by default. Enabling auto lock will extend the deadbolt after a certain time. To enable or disable auto lock, press the programming button, then press 5, followed by the circle key. The default auto lock time delay is 30 seconds. If you wish to change this, the time delay can be between 10 and 99 seconds. To set the auto lock time delay, press the programming button, then press 6, followed by the circle key. Then enter the time delay number in seconds, followed by the circle key. The keypad volume is on by default. Turning it off will disable all keypad sounds, unless you're in the programming menu. To turn it off or on, press the programming button, then press 7, followed by the circle key. An optional programming code allows you to secure the programming menu from other users. To set a programming code, press the programming button, then press 4, then the circle key. Then enter your 4 to 10-digit code, followed by the circle key. The programming code cannot be the same as an existing user code. Now, to access the programming menu, instead of pressing the programming button, the menu can only be accessed by entering the programming code, followed by the circle key. Please note that the programming code cannot be used to unlock the door. To enable or disable vacation mode, press the programming button, then press 8, followed by the circle key. Enabling vacation mode will disable all user codes from working on the keypad, but your mechanical key will still work. If you have a programming code set up, you can use the programming code to access the programming menu while in vacation mode. To add a one-time user code, press the programming button, then press 9, then the circle key. Then enter the one-time user code, followed by the circle key. Up to 5 one-time user codes can be saved. Once the one-time code has been used, it will be deleted immediately. To factory reset the lock, remove the battery cover, then press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds, until you hear 3 long beeps. This will reset the lock to its default settings, and all user codes and the programming code, if set, will be cleared. This concludes the programming of your Yale Libi digital lock key.